This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do a chlorophyll print. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need some fresh, green leaves, a clear glass or acrylic sheet, and a sunny spot. Also, grab a heavy object like a thick book and a shallow tray or dish. Choosing the right leaves is key. Look for ones that are flat and healthy, without any tears or brown spots. This simple method allows nature to do most of the work for us, creating beautiful, unique art pieces. Now, let's prepare our leaf for printing. Carefully place your selected leaf flat onto a hard, stable surface. Next, position your chosen image or object directly on top of the leaf. This could be a photographic negative, a stencil, or even a small, flat object. The critical part is ensuring that the image is in direct, firm contact with the leaf surface. This contact will be essential for the sun's work in the next step, so take your time to align everything perfectly. With your leaf and image in place, it's time for the sun to work its magic. Gently cover the entire setup with a clear glass or acrylic sheet. Then, place a heavy object, such as a large book or a brick, on top of the glass to ensure firm, consistent contact between the image, leaf, and glass. Now, move your entire setup to a location with direct, strong sunlight. The exposure time can vary, usually between 3 and 7 days, depending on the sun's intensity and the leaf type. After several days of sun exposure, it's time for the exciting reveal. Carefully remove the heavy object and then lift off the clear glass or acrylic sheet. Now, with great care, gently peel away your image or object from the leaf surface. You should see the magic. The areas of the leaf exposed to the sun, but protected by your image, will have retained their green color, while the unprotected areas will have faded to a lighter shade, creating your unique chlorophyll print. Handle your delicate print with care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.